Good evening, human. Yes, everything's okay. I'm just watching this contraption. Please do not mind me. It's called a vending machine? I see. No, I do not intend to buy anything. I am just drawn to this vending machine, even if I do not know what it does. I like lingering in its light. It does not hurt my eyes, and the blue fluorescence comforts me. I have been coming here every evening for 1 week, trying to understand what it does, but all I see are cans and bottles inside. I do not know what they are. Drinks? Like water? An nectar? I see. So you buy a drink from this machine when you're feeling thirsty. I'm feeling thirsty. Human, how do you buy a drink from this machine? With money. What is money? Then I do not have it. Cannot buy a drink. I have never needed money before. I do not live in this town. I live in the forest with others like me. I have never used a vending machine before. But I am thirsty. Human, what are you doing? I see you usually money into this machine. Are you thirsty too? For me. But you did not need to do that. You did it because you wanted to? I I do not know how to respond to that. Thank you, human. But what happens now? I press a button to choose a drink. But I do not know which drink to choose. Really? Humans have that problem too? Well, what do you do when you're unable to choose? Go with the flow? I am not familiar with that expression. What does going with the flow mean? I see. So, then I do not have a flow. I have never drunk any of these. Can I choose at random? You will help me decide. Oh, thank you. You're very kind. This drink seems to be called a Red Bull. What does a Red Bull do, human? It gives you wings. But I do not understand. I already have wings. Why would I need another set of wings? Oh, so it gives you energy. But for what? Pulling all-nighters before an exam? Human life sounds stressful. Well, I'm not sleepy. I'm thirsty. Maybe I'll become friends with this Red Bull some other time. This one's called a Sprite. Does a Sprite taste good? Tastes basic? I do not understand. So it tastes like lemon and lime. That does not sound so bad. No kick to it. Oh, drinking Sprite always makes you feel incomplete and full of regret. Oh, I see. I do not want to be full of regret. I trust your judgment, human. Let us move on to the next one. Pepsi. What does a Pepsi taste like? Like walking through a city lane at night when it's rainy? I do not understand. What does drinking Pepsi have to do with walking in the rain at night? Oh, the taste just reminds you of that. The original one, anyway. Well, this one says Pepsi Black Zero Sugar. Human? Why do you suddenly look angry? Are you alright? I am sorry, I did not mean to upset you. It's just what the drink says. Oh, so you're angry with them because they have forgotten about the classics. Well, I'm glad you're not upset with me. Shall we keep looking? Okay, so the next one says Fanta. What does Fanta taste like? Like a tropical vacation in the sun? How so? So it has the essence of orange and other fruits, I see. But I do not like the sun. It hurts my eyes. It's not like the soft glow of this vending machine. It's not kind like you. I do not think I would enjoy Fanta. What is the next drink? Mountain Dew. Sounds odd. What does this one do? It helps you conquer all your fears? Really? But I am not afraid. I'm thirsty. What does it taste like? Sweet, a bit like Sprite, but way cooler. That does sound nice. But what is this other drink in the corner? A Coke. I see. Does this remind you of anything human? A Coke means different things to different people. Could you please explain more? Oh, a Coke is just a Coke. But a Coke can be whatever you want it to be? I still do not understand, but I wanted to quench my thirst. I think I'll have a Coke. Yes, there are other drinks, but I have decided I want a Coke. But I want a Coke. I want a... Thank you. So, this is a Coke. It feels... cool. I wonder how it will taste. Yeah, right. There's only one way to find out. I like it. I have never tasted anything like this before. I do not know how to describe it. Yes, maybe I do not have to. Sometimes all you have to do is live in the moment. This feels nice. Drinking Coke on a quiet summer night in front of a vending machine. Do you do this often, human? I see. I think I would like to do this again. Because of you, I was finally able to buy a drink from the vending machine. I did more than that? Really? You think a vending machine is a good metaphor for our life? Human, what is a metaphor? Oh, that sounds complicated. But why a vending machine? No, that makes sense. I think I understand what you're trying to say. We often have to make difficult life choices. It's not much different from choosing which drink to buy at a vending machine. Both can leave you feeling lost. But if you're feeling lost, it is okay to go with something that comforts you. Something that is not the best for you or not the best thing you could choose. But as long as it makes you happy, it's okay. So, what you're saying is, if you're feeling lost, you should drink a Coke? I was not lost, only thirsty. But I understand. I'm glad I met you, human. We are friends now. Yes, you are the first friend I have made. I did not have a friend before this. But now I have a friend. You are my friend. You look sad. Is everything okay? I am okay, I told you. Are you worried about me? Do not be, I'll be fine. Because I know how to use a vending machine now. And because I have a friend. I'll be back here again tomorrow. Can I see you tomorrow? I'm glad. I will see you tomorrow then. because I'll be feeling thirsty again tomorrow, and then I will want to buy another drink.